Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today we would like to show how you can set default SIM for SMS in Oppo smartphone. So in order to control what SIM card you are using for sending the text or SMS messages, you will need to launch the SMS messaging app first, then open any dialog or start any dialog with any of your contacts that you would like to send the SMS message to. And then over here within the text field you can see the SIM card logo. So if you would like to send SMS messages or text messages using one of the two SIM cards you have inserted, simply select it from the list, and from now it will be used to transfer outbound SMS messages. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.